Hello everyone. Is your car experiencing engine hesitation, rough idling, or even stalling? If your OBD-II scanner has pulled up P0652 sensor reference voltage A circuit low, you need to act fast. This code indicates a low voltage issue in the 5V reference circuit, affecting critical sensors like the MAP sensor, TPS, or fuel pressure sensor. A weak voltage supply can cause miscommunication between sensors and the ECU, leading to serious performance problems. In this video I'll explain what P0652 means, common symptoms, and most importantly, the exact location of the key components that could be causing this issue. Let's get started. The P0652 trouble code stands for Sensor Reference Voltage A Circuit Low. Your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, sends a steady 5V reference signal to various engine sensors. If this voltage drops below the expected range, the PCM can't get proper readings, leading to incorrect fuel-air mixture adjustments and performance issues. When the PCM detects that the 5V reference in circuit A is too low, it triggers P0652. This means certain engine sensors may not be receiving enough power, causing erratic engine behavior. Common symptoms of P0652: check engine light on poor acceleration or engine hesitation, rough idling or misfires, hard starting or stalling. Reduced fuel efficiency. Other sensor-related codes such as MAP, TPS, or fuel pressure sensor errors. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the important components linked to this issue. To diagnose P0652, check these critical components: powertrain control module PCM, location, usually mounted on the firewall, fender, or under the dashboard. Function, supplies 5V reference signals to multiple sensors. A problem here can disrupt voltage to sensors. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, attached to the throttle body near the intake manifold. Function, monitors throttle movement for accurate acceleration control. Manifold absolute pressure, MAP. Sensor, location, bolted to the intake manifold or throttle body. Function, helps the PCM adjust the fuel-air mixture based on engine load. Fuel pressure sensor, location, mounted on the fuel rail or near the fuel tank. Function, monitors fuel pressure for smooth fuel delivery, wiring and connectors. Location, found between the PCM, sensors, and the fuse box. Function, carries the 5V reference signal. A broken or damaged wire can cause P0652. Common causes of P0652: short circuit in the 5V reference circuit. A damaged or exposed wire can cause a voltage drop. Faulty PCM. If the PCM isn't delivering a steady 5V, it affects multiple sensors. Failing sensor. A bad TPS, MAP, or fuel pressure sensor can short the circuit, pulling voltage down. Corroded or loose connectors. Water damage or poor connection reduces voltage output. Blown fuse in the 5V reference circuit. A simple fuse replacement might resolve P0652. How to fix P0652. Step 1. Check for additional error codes. If you see codes related to MAP, TPS, or fuel sensors, they may be the root cause. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires in the 5V reference circuit. Step 3. Test the PCM output. Use a multimeter to check if the PCM is delivering a stable 5V reference. Step 4. Check individual sensors. Unplug sensors one by one to see if a faulty sensor is pulling voltage down. Step 5. Replace blown fuses. A blown fuse in the reference circuit can cause low voltage issues. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. Ignoring P0652 can cause misfiring, stalling, and poor engine performance. Fixing it ensures your car's 5V reference circuit works properly, preventing further damage to important sensors. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0560. System voltage malfunction P0561. System voltage unstable. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.